Today, you will learn to make a table in Word without vertical lines. First, go to the Insert tab. Click on Table and choose the number of rows and columns you want. Once your table is inserted, click Table Handle to select the entire table, and you will see a new option called Table Design at the top. Click on it, then look for Borders. From there, first select No Border to remove all lines. If you only want to remove the vertical lines and keep the horizontal ones, go to Borders again, choose Borders and Shading, and manually turn off the left and right borders while keeping the top and bottom ones active. This will give your table a clean look without vertical lines. You can also adjust text alignment inside the table to make it more readable. And that's it. Your table is now ready without vertical lines in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.